Hi guys, and welcome back. So I'm making a two-tier tray with this white Waverly chalk paint. And so I used two trays like I said, and I purchased these from the Dollar Tree. You can get them from wherever you want, but this is a Dollar Tree tutorial. So I did this and I coated it about 2 or 3 times to get the coat and look that I wanted. I did not distress it. I left it as is, guys. And so after coating these two trays a few times, I then got 3 candlestick holders and I glued 2 together. This is one that I didn't glue just of yet, but I'm going to glue that together with some super glue. Whatever kind of super glue that you choose to use is fine. And I glued these and I got these perfect ornaments from the Dollar Tree, guys. They're so beautiful. So guys, this is the outcome of the tray with all these beautiful sparkly Dollar Tree ornaments that I have. I did break some off for the little leaves that I have. I spray painted the garland. This is where I glued the piece off from the bell. And these are some top hats from ornaments, some pretty acorns, a sleigh. It's just so pretty to place in my kitchen because this is where it's going to be. And I just think it's just so cute and pretty and budget friendly, guys. And you can make this, you can do it just like this, or you can do it your own way. This is just a guidance of how you can make a nice Christmas tree tray to place in your kitchen, guys, or your table, wherever you will like it. But this is what mine looks like, and I hope you love it just as much as I do. Guys, catch you guys later.